Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today I want to talk about a very important disease which is called depression. Depression is very common in our society and it is important that we should know about it. So, depression is, as I told you, one of the most common emotional disorders. The growing complexities of modern life and its resultant crisis, as well as the mental stress and strain of day-to-day life, usually leads to this disorder. These are the symptoms of depression. There is acute sense of loss of energy, lack of interest in the world around, and fatigue. A disturbed sleep is a frequent occurrence. There is loss of appetite, giddiness, itching, nausea, agitation, irritability, constipation, pains all over the body. And there is lack of concentration and the person become indecisive. Usually the body temperature is low, blood pressure is low, and sometimes the body starts shivering. So these are the common symptoms from which we can find that how depression happens. Now these are the causes of depression. When there is prolonged anxiety and tension in life, the person is sad for a long time, so he develops depression. If there is excessive and indiscriminate use of drugs, then it makes physiological change in the body and the body is unable to absorb vitamins and minerals, and this causes depression. So drugs should not be used regularly without prescription, and otherwise this is one of the causes of developing depression. There are various remedies for depression, like eating fruits, especially apple. Apple makes you happy and it keeps the doctor away. Similarly, the asparagus, lemon, macaroni, these are other medicines which are helpful, and multivitamins are helpful in treatment of depression. These are other diets which play a very important role in case of depression. Tea, coffee, alcohol, chocolates, and Coca-Colas, etc. These are not helpful in depression, and these should be avoided. Food should be taken 3 times a day. The person should become more active and the attention should be diverted to other things. Exercise also very important play, and it could be used in treatment of depression. Similarly, relaxation and meditation. If there is sufficient rest, sleep under quiet condition, and meditation enables us to overcome the feeling of depression. Other treatments are spiritual way of life. Spiritual books, Quran should be recited regularly. Prayer should be offered on time. The ritual should be used well, and the principles of honesty and integrity should be followed. One should be honest. In this way, depression can be treated, and this disease can be avoided. So I request you to follow these guiding principles, because depression is a silent killer. Usually people don't know that they are suffering from depression, and it harms it harms body of the people, and it usually leads to suicides. So be careful and try to avoid this. Thank you for watching and subscribing the channel.